Welcome to Michelle's story time, story time, story time. Michelle's story time, story time, story time. I am Michelle, and welcome to Michelle's story time. Today, I will talk about Easter, which is celebrated on Sunday, April 9th. The day is a celebration of Christianity, but it's also a celebration of new beginnings and the changing seasons. And now I will read Don't Push the Button, an Easter Surprise, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Don't push the button. I wonder why. Oh, hi there. I'm Larry, and I'm so excited for Easter. Aren't you? Aren't you? I know what you're thinking, but you shouldn't push the button. There's the button. Seriously, for real. Why should we not push the button? But I don't think the Easter Bunny is looking. Go ahead and push. I wonder, should I push the button? Okay, maybe not. Ah! Where did these bunny ears come from? Try pushing the button 2 times. Okay. I am going to push the button 2 times and let's see what happens. 1, 2. No, what's gonna happen? Eep! Now I have a bunny nose and whiskers. Quick, push the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Ooh! We got 5 eggs. Tap each egg to add some color. Let's tap each egg. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh! Decorate the eggs with your fingertips to make them extra special. Okay, we're going to make them extra special. Beautiful! Now shake the book up and down to dry the paint. Okay. Let's shake it up and down. Shake the book up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Oh, no. All that shaking made the eggs go flying. Can you blow on the grass so we can find all of them? Almost. Just blow a little harder. There they are. Count the eggs as you slide each one into the basket. Make sure you get them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. Thanks, buddy. You helped make this the best Easter ever. And that was the end of Don't Push the Button. The author again is Bill Cotter. An Easter Surprise. Happy Easter. And thank you for listening. Bye-bye.